I have now been walking 2.5 kilometers in quite deep snow, following a track, but I was the first one to go there since the last snowfall, so it was some places knee deep. So it actually took me 1 hour. And now I'm venturing away from the track into the forest, and I'm going to show you where I did my last drone video, and that's, well, slightly out of the path. So let's go. And what is in front of us? Something has passed through here. Oh yeah, a big moose. So let's hope I don't meet it. I didn't expect this. It looks like a busy intersection. It's really a mess around here. Extremely busy. And here, yeah, you see it's even better here. But that isn't big enough for a moose, so that is probably there. Okay, let's go in different direction than I am. That's good. And yeah, I'm down to the knees. This will be a very heavy day. And it should be interesting to see how long the battery lasts. This is one of the places I've launched a drone from early in December when there was no snow. So now I'm going to the next one. And still, the moose is actually walking the same way. So it seems like it also wants to follow the easiest way through the terrain. And that means not drop too much if you don't have to. Yeah. I mean, if I didn't feel that the winter was here earlier, I have a really good feeling about that now. It's a little dark and the light is so flat that I chose not to fly a drone today because it wouldn't give that good pictures. Okay, I'm now at the second location where it actually was some snow the time I flew here. Now I'm going downwards and onto, is it marsh? Sump? I'm not quite sure, I can't remember the English word for it right now. Wet normally anyway when there's not winter. So this is way down. Okay, I can go for this one to slide down more or less. And I know that in this area you have a few channels of water. So yeah, here is one. I don't want to go into that one. It's not too wide, so yeah. Okay, snow is now half up my thigh, so it's getting deeper. Here's another channel. It's, oh yeah, it's so deep. We're a lot higher up now, so some of the snow that came as rain lower down, it came as snow here, so it's deep. Half a kilometer took me more than a quarter of an hour, so yes, it's heavy. But giving up is something that I really don't know about. Okay, finally at the location I was at the last filming, the hiking through the forest film. You might recognize some of these trees. And the only thing I know now is that I should not go too far to the right. I should not fall down too much, and the direction I should be going to hit a path that is crossing, or a track, it's more or less that direction. Let's see how long it takes. I'm now at approximately 3 kilometers and I'm been walking for 1 hour and 20 minutes. No rest for the wicked, so just go on. And it should be very interesting to see if I actually can find the track, because it definitely will not be visible in the snow. But some points along the track you have these blue markings, and normally you will also see that it's a little bit more open path than you'll find anywhere else, and it's actually more or less a path. Okay, looking at the formation, this seems to be an old forest track where the forest machines go through and cut down trees. So I'm not too far down still, but I guess that I lost a little bit of height now. just continue on. It was a good choice because it's easier to walk here. But it still remains to find the track. Yeah, wonders over wonders. See the blue stripe there? That's the path. You can see going down there as well. So I'm on the track. So just keep following the clearing. These blue markings shows that this is a summer trail, and also implicit that it's not particularly usable to go skiing. Just going to follow this trail, so I really can't miss. Since this is covered by quite a lot of trees, the snow isn't that deep. And that's a relief, because it has been heavy to go on to thigh deep snow. I'm just happy that my knees are good this day, because if they hadn't, it would have been a challenge. And as you see, it's not easy to see where the trail goes, because you don't have these blue markings all the time. There I have one. So it's easy to get lured into an opening, and then you really must double back if it doesn't lead to anything. Okay, I recognize this clearing. I'm not too far away from the chapel now. It's deep. The snow has really blown it deep here. The wind. Yeah, no wonder. Such an open area. Don't know if you can see, but look here. It's deep. You can even see here. And when I'm coming out, I have the first thing I will see is a ski track. And with all this snow, I bet it looks quite good now. But my plan today was not go skiing, but go deep forest hiking in deep snow. I mean, every man must have a challenge now and then. Okay. Here's a ski track, and it's solid now. And you see it's to Brunkollen, that direction, and the chapel, that direction. And there's even also a ski track to where I came from, where it says Skyttarkollen, 5 kilometers. And over there you can see the top of the chapel. Look at the track. Beautiful, isn't it? It's a beauty. Go skiing on those tracks. Freshly made. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's a lot of people have been going here yet. Anyway, I'm walking, not skiing. And it's so relieving having to go on this firm snow. You can't imagine. Yeah. Now it's soon resting time. Look at this enormous building in the middle of the forest. It is really what a forest chapel should look like. Let's see then, where's the best place to sit down? I guess I'll just make myself a place here. And now I rest a little before I continue filming. When I started this second filming, I was not aware that I, by coincidence, pushed it from video to slow-mo, and of course it's ruined the rest of the video, but still I brought out some single photos and I'm using that as more or less slideshow. So I really do need to remember to bring my glasses, because with the glasses I could have seen it. Without, no, I couldn't. So I wasn't even able to see how much battery was left, but still I could have filmed quite a lot. This first one shows that you really need a shovel to get to the door. Next one shows that I have approximately 3.3 kilometers left to the parking place where I left the car. This is where I leave the short blue trail that I've been following and go into the unmarked trail. Now I know I'm approximately 1 kilometer away because it says shooting range, life threatening. So I'm going on the edge of this 1 kilometer more. It was a good exercise, and my Garmin app told me that I should probably have a restitution for 4 days.